Hey guys, so before the vlog starts, I just want to let you guys know that for this video, I am partnering with FabFitFun, and I will be talking about that later in the video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today a very special package came in literally 2 minutes ago. My dad walked in the door with a package in his hand, and I literally screamed because at first he was like, oh, it's just medicine, like your package didn't come, because he knew I was expecting something. And then I saw this sticker on the package and I literally screamed and started jumping up and down, and I ran in my room to film this. So welcome to today's vlog, guys. I'm gonna open this right now. I'm sorry I look like this. I haven't gotten ready at all. I've just been doing my chores. Oh my god, you guys, I'm so excited right now. I ordered Hannah Melish's merch. I got the pink one. Oh my god. Here it is. Oh my gosh, I am so excited right now. Oh my god, this is adorable. I am so excited right now. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It just has this little thing on it that says the end. Guys, this is so cute. Okay, I'm gonna try it on. I'm currently still in my PJs, as you guys can see, but I decided to start this vlog right now because I am so excited. You guys know how much I love Hannah Melish, so this is like so exciting for me. Like, this hoodie to me like means so much because you guys know she's the reason that I started YouTube. Okay, so this is what it looks like on. Oh my god, it is so cute. Okay, I'm so sorry for freaking out a little bit. I am gonna go do some chores. I'm gonna try to film a video. So yeah, I'm gonna go film and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hi guys, so it's the next day and I'm sorry I didn't vlog anymore yesterday. I was just filming all day and then I stayed up until 4 a.m. editing that video, so I'm currently very tired. But right now I'm going to lunch with my friend Maddie, so I'm trying to find the place right now. Okay, it's a 10-minute drive. We're just gonna go downtown and have lunch, and then we're going to do like a little photo shoot. Okay, I will see you guys when I get there. This is Maddie. We're at the place. Well, I don't know if I can say where it is because, like, is it like only in our city? Okay, yeah, all right. Okay, we're just trying to find places to take pictures. Feeling a little risky today. No card and camera. Crap, I forgot. It's recording on this, and then I have, okay. Okay, bye guys. Wait, this looks so cute. This actually does remind me of Brandy Melville even more, because I didn't even see this part, and then like the one-way sign over there.
Hi vlog, we're out here. I'm sorry, I'm stupid, but hi, I'm Kenna's friend, and we were taking pictures, and this guy just walked by, and we got really scared. Yeah, but it was just a security person. But then he was like, hi ladies, I mean young ladies, and it was kind of like,
we were like, okay.
I mean, yes. Is that your way of saying that we're beautiful and young and youthful? I think so.
Yeah. Every time like a man walks by, I just
because we hate men. Just kidding. JK,
like
we just hate them. Except,
no,
just kidding. We like them. Equality.
Equality.
Yes.
Exactly.
It was a joke.
We do not hate men. Don't come for us.
Don't.
Please.
We love men. Especially I love.
Maddie has a thing for boys that are just not too, they're not it. I've been saying that too much today because of you. Whenever I'm with you, I say things like that.
I called the Jeep and he said that this wasn't it.
Okay guys, so Maddie just left and I'm about to go home. I really don't want to. It was so fun hanging out with her and we got so many good pictures, and I am so excited to go home and look at all of them because I haven't really taken any good pictures like that in a while, so I'm so excited right now. Okay, so it is so hot in here and I can't turn the air conditioner on while I have the camera on, so I'm gonna turn the camera off and I'll see you guys when I get home. Hi guys, so it is the next day now, and yesterday I totally forgot to vlog when I got home. I'm gonna try setting you guys up right here. Wait, that kind of works. So like I was saying, I forgot to vlog once I got home from hanging out with Maddie yesterday, but all I did was finish edit my video that went up on Sunday, the glow up video, and I just edited some pictures that we took. I'll insert them right here. I really like how they turned out. So right now I just got home from school and I have a dentist appointment right now, so that's why I'm brushing my teeth so late in the day. Don't worry, I do brush my teeth. I always brush my teeth before dentist appointments because it's kind of gross if you don't, honestly. So I'm gonna do that. I just brushed my teeth and flossed and used some mouthwash so that I'm all ready, because like, who goes to the dentist and like doesn't get ready for it? Like, I just feel like that's so disgusting, and I would feel bad for the dentist, honestly, because even if like you're a clean person, like that's still so gross. Also guys, The Bachelor is on tonight and I am so excited. It's the finale and everyone's like hating on Cassie, but like I really like her for some reason. I don't know why, but I just do. Another thing, I had a package that came in today from Wildflower Cases and I am so excited because it said it was supposed to get here on Thursday and right now it's Monday. So it came so early, which is crazy. That never happens with them. I feel like their shipping is always kind of slow and I didn't even get the express shipping or anything. So I'm very happy about that. I'm gonna open it right now. Ooh, oh my god. Okay, so this is the case I got. I feel like cheetah print has been so like popular lately and the more I look at it, the more it just like grows on me for some reason. I just think it's so cute and it makes me feel so like sassy. This is my 11th Wildflower case. That's really bad. A lot of them that I've had are for my old phone. I had an iPhone 6S before I got this one. Hey guys, so I'm sorry about that interruption. My dad came home and we went to my dentist appointment and now I'm back home and I have something to show you guys. Today is just my lucky day, I guess, because my case came in 4 days early and I just received another package. So I'm very excited about this one. I'm gonna be unboxing it for you guys. Okay, I'm opening the package right now. I'm not gonna put it on my bed because the box is probably disgusting and I just don't want to do that. So almost there. Wait, actually let me just show you guys my Wildflower case first. So they come in these really nice boxes and then they came with these 2 stickers. I have about 1,000 of these stickers by now. I actually have both of these already, but I still love them. And then this is what the case looks like on my phone. I put a black pop socket on it because I really like how it looks with the black what's it called, bumper. So yeah, that's what it looks like. I'm gonna put on my sweatshirt because I'm kind of cold. Oh, there's a really cute dog outside. Oh my god, the packaging is so cute. I've seen it come in a bunch of different packages, but this one was actually my favorite and I am so excited. Here it is. I have been waiting for this for so long. Okay, so if you guys didn't know, FabFitFun just released their spring box. FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box and it comes with like a bunch of full-size lifestyle, like health, wellness products, things like that, and it comes out 4 times a year. So each one of these boxes is $49.99, but it actually has a value of over $200. Plus, if you guys want to use my code KennaMarie10, you can get $10 off of your first box, which means you could get over $200 worth of stuff for only $39.99. Plus it has free shipping and I mean, come on. And they also let you customize some of the items in the box, and today I'm going to show you what I got in mine. So you guys can sign up now if you want to get some of these goodies. Also, before I unbox it, I just want to let you guys know that whenever I work with a company or anything, I will only work with them if I 100% support their brand. And I know this company features a lot of products in their boxes that are from like female owned companies, which I absolutely love. And I genuinely think you guys would enjoy this. So that is why I'm showing it to you. I just want to let you guys know that all opinions are 100% my own. In this video and in all other videos that I do that are like working with brands or something, I just want you guys to always remember that I'm never going to lie about my opinions on a product just because they sent something to me. Like, no matter what, I will always give you guys my honest opinion, and if I don't like the company, then I wouldn't be working with them. So with all that being said, I am finally going to open this box up. This is what the packaging looks like. It is the most adorable box I have ever seen. I'm being a little bit dramatic. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. This looks adorable. Like, literally this packaging is just my favorite part, honestly. So the first thing that you see in the box is this magazine, and I think it's just like a catalog of everything that is in the box. Oh my gosh, I did not know this was gonna be in here. I've watched some of these unboxing videos, but like I didn't know that I was gonna get this. So this is a $50 gift card to HelloFresh. I think they're like a like food service type thing where you like get all the ingredients to be sent to your house and it gives you like a recipe and stuff. My mom is going to be so excited. The next thing I see in here is this jump rope. This is called 11 by Venus, just for working out, so that's really cool. I have been looking forward to this so much. I've literally been waiting for this. This is the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. I'm like listening to myself right now and I feel like I sound so over dramatic. I am very sorry, you guys. I am genuinely this excited about everything that's in this box, and I've seen a lot of these unboxing videos of this specific box, and I've been so excited to get this because my under eyes are not the prettiest sometimes. Next thing in here, ooh, I remember some girl opening this. Okay, this is a lotion and it's supposed to smell like oranges, I think. Ooh, that smells really good. Oh, this is the Way like leave-in conditioner. I've seen this everywhere. I've seen so many people talk about this and I am so excited to try it. Okay, I'm not sure what this is. It says show me your moo-moo. Oh, it's a robe. That's so cute. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. I thought this was like a towel or like a blanket or something, but I love that. It's a robe. So next up is this water bottle. I am so excited about this one too. It's the Sip by Swell water bottle. Okay, so the next thing, I don't know what this is. Wait, I think these are sunglasses. Oh my gosh, these are sunglasses. Oh, these are really cute. This is what they look like. These are actually so cute. Oh my god, I love these. And last but not least is, what is this? Oh, champagne charcoal scrub. Ooh, this looks pretty. Oh, I see. Okay, I'm not gonna open this right now because I don't want to make a mess, but this is so cute. All right, so that was everything that was in my box. Thank you so much to FabFitFun for sending me this. I actually love it. Like, all of the products are so cool and I will definitely be using all of them. Literally, the robe alone is twice as much as this entire box would be if you used my code. All right, guys, so that is everything that came in my spring box. I'm sorry it took so long. I was just genuinely getting a little bit too excited about everything. So yeah, that is all, and now let's get back to the vlog. Okay, so I'm just editing this video right now because it needs to go up today. You guys are gonna be seeing this the same day that it's being uploaded. Wait, that didn't make sense. I'm filming this the same day you guys are going to see this. So in a couple hours, you guys will actually be seeing this video, hopefully. Also, guys, Jacob just stopped by and I had no idea he was coming, but he just surprised me with a little chocolate bundt cake and I am so excited about it. I was actually craving chocolate cake and then he showed up at my door with chocolate cake. So today's really my lucky day, honestly. Like, 2 of my packages came and then this chocolate cake came. The Bachelor's on tonight. I get to upload a video today, which I'm really excited about. Like, oh my gosh, I am just having the best day ever. Okay, so I think I'm gonna end this vlog here because I need to edit it and upload it by tonight. So thank you guys so much for watching this video and I hope you guys liked my little unboxing and my photo shoot. Don't forget, if you guys want to get $10 off your first box, you can use my code KennaMarie10. Plus they have free shipping, so you can get all of this stuff for only $39.99. And like I said before, I genuinely really liked everything and I will never lie to you guys about my opinions on any products. So with that being said, I really did like this and I would recommend it to you guys because the quality of everything is just so great. So that is all for today's vlog and I will see you guys next Sunday with a new video. Bye guys.